Professor Emeritus Errol Miller, welcome to Profile.
Thank you very much. Great to be with you.
So this is one of several times that you've been on the program, but the first time you have been on the show with me. So first of all, thank you so much for the opportunity to speak with you.
Well, mine is the privilege and the honor, really.
So, you know, you've done a ton of different kinds of things, worked through a series of different organizations, the Jamaica Teachers Association, the Electoral Advisory Committee, the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, a variety of different roles. But you've described yourself, certainly when we talked in the pre-interview, as sort of an unwilling volunteer. What then do you make of all of these different kinds of things that you've done?
I didn't volunteer for them. I never applied to do them. What happened was there was some issue. Some people thought about it and said, Errol, you can do this. They came to me and proposed it. I look at it, I thought it could make some difference. I said, okay. So I was called to it. The only thing I ever wanted to be in life from I was about 19 years old, and this is through prayer and circumstances, was to be a teacher.
And you understood this very, very early on. You said 19, but...
From I was 19 years old.
From 19.
End of my first year in university.
But leading up to university, though, Central Branch Primary, Halfway Tree Primary, and Calabar High School as well. How did those sort of...
Well, they weren't primary then. It was Central Branch...
Elementary,
or government school, okay, and all-age school. Those were the terminologies of the time. So I am elementary, primary school product, and proud of it. Central Branch, Halfway Tree. As my parents moved in Kingston. Calabar, yes, I owe a lot to Calabar. And coming through whatever exams they had to take and all of that. And so I went to Calabar, and because of Calabar, I went to sixth form, finished at that time 7 years, but I did it in 5 years and one term. And it's just because the system was flexible and, all of that. So I owe a lot to Calabar.
How did how did your educational background create that sort of culture of service?